Hello everyone, in this short video I want to show you something which I have achieved while working on a project. I was working on this project where I have to show this cardiovascular system of human body. So what I wanted to achieve was highlighting some of the game object, and I wanted to do that by graying out all other objects. Let me show you what I mean by this. If we run the project, you can see only the few parts are visible and all other are grayed out. I needed this to focus on some of the parts while graying out the others. So you can see only selected objects are displayed and all others are grayed out. I have the code attached with this game object, and here we have the option to bring back everything. Let me show you how this works. So I have this game object cardiovascular, and as children it has many game objects. I have the code on this game object, and over here I have to give the reference of the parent object, which is this object, and then there is the list of the game objects which I want to highlight, and all other would be grayed out. So suppose I want to see another game object as well, so I can simply add that by adding one element in this list. And let's say we want to see some vein as well. So I will simply select that game object which I want to view. And now let's run the project again. And you see now we have that vein visible as well. And we can switch the complete visibility once again. So in this code basically we have to provide the parent object and then the list of the game objects which we want to view, and last is the gray material which we want to set for the other objects. You can set the transparency of the material from here. So in this way you can put as many objects as you want in this list, and all those objects will be highlighted and the remaining would be grayed out. What is basically done in the code is, it basically stores the original materials of the objects and then will apply the gray material. And once we will change the visibility, it will put back the original material back on those objects. I will provide this code in the description of the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.